Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. I hope all of you are fine, and I am quite sure that you must be taking care of yourself. This is going to be the seventh lecture in the series of presentation skills. The topic that will be under discussion, it is an element of presentation: confidence. Confidence is known as Etmad in Sindhi or Urdu. In simple words, in simple definition, confidence means believing in yourself. Confidence means believing in your ability. Confidence means believing in your potential. Confidence means believing in your strength. Confidence believing in your ability. Confidence means believing in your skill. Confidence means having a positive attitude for yourself. That if you think that something that I have taken in my hand and I have to execute it, I have to do it, it will be done with a particular period of time, and I'll remain successful throughout this, sequence and this process, then you are confident. If you think that you are on the stage, you have got 100 students before you, every person with different mindset, every person with different ability of thinking, every person with different capacity of mind, every person with different mind approach, every person of different age, every person of different color, every person of different kind, every person of different competence, every person of different profession. Now you have got many people before you, and you are on the stage. You think that no matter if there are 100 people, if there could have been 100 to 1000 people, I would have delivered a wonderful presentation. So come what may, it doesn't matter what happens, but I will do my best. I'll give my best. I will perform best. I will do a splendid job before the audience. Then indeed you are confident. If you think that I am before the people, I am before the public, I am before the audience, now if I may utter a single word, they may mock at me, they may laugh at me, they may criticize me, they may irritate me, they may annoy me, I might lose my confidence, they may ask me tricky questions, they may forward their different and annoying facial expressions while my presentation. I might forget the ideas, I might do this and that, it might happen, and then you have got hundred of negative ideas in your mind. Then you are not confident. Confidence means you believe in your strength, you believe in ability, that whatever I am, whatever I have got with me, it's 100% correct, and I will give my 100%. Definitely none of us is perfect. Everybody has got uh, you know disadvantages. Everybody has got certain loopholes. Everybody has got certain gray areas. It's not about that everybody is perfect, nor is it necessary that you will deliver a perfect presentation. Rather, you must have a positive gesture of your presentation. You must have a positive attitude or attitude of your presentation. You think that you will be delivering presentation that will bring appreciation from your classmates. I can clearly recall the uh, poem of 10th class while I was teaching a children school. I was teaching them the poem that if you think you can, if you think you can, if you think you can't, you can't. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि आप ये चीज़ कर सकते हैं, तो जी हाँ, आप ये चीज़ कर सकते हैं। अगर आपने ये सोचा हुआ है कि आप ये चीज़ नहीं कर सकते, तो जी हाँ, बिल्कुल आप ये चीज़ नहीं कर सकते। इट मीन्स इफ़ यू हैव गॉट yes in your life, that yes, I can do it, then indeed you are confident. And I can also resemble this confidence with a piece of poetry of Allama Iqbal that is world famous. Allama Iqbal says, and I quote, that खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा खुद बंदे से पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. What does it mean by खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना? It means make yourself confident to such a stage that before announcing any result, Almighty Allah may ask that what is your opinion, what is your idea, what you want. So this is what developing a kind of self confidence in yourself. I will talk to you in detail about confidence, inshallah, in my next lecture. Till that, work on all the elements, work on collecting ideas, work on your confidence, and inshallah, with the passage of time, you will bring change and improvement in your presentation skills. Once again, I would like to connect this today's lecture with your, uh, you know, academic uh, studies, that if you think that what happens if sir uploads videos on daily basis, what happens if he delivers lecture, we will not listen to him. Okay, if we listen to him, then we will not implement on them. What does it will do? It's just only rumor. It's not of any use. So beta, if you have got this mindset, that once again I will say you that if you think that it will not bring change in your life, then indeed you are correct. And if you think that yes, it can do wonders, then indeed you are successful. The day is not so far when you will find yourself confident, effective, and a wonderful human being. Stay blessed, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.